Hi guys, we're Sufiana Girl and today I will be talking about the anxiety or the self-love. You know that situation is very bad because of the COVID, and I see that there's a lot of people suffering from anxiety. So guys, this is the time when you can go for the self-love, when you really need to work on your energies. You cannot control anything right now because the situation is really bad. So anxiety basically arises when we really want to control something, when we really want to take the things according to our wish, when we really want to take a charge of the thing, and then things didn't turned up according to our wishes or are according to our control. So this is the time when no one is able to control the situation and no one is able to control the. So right now it's very important to go for the self love, to make the things easy for you, not difficult. So depression and anxiety is the thing which really drag you towards the emotional disbalancing, towards the mental instability. So it's the time when you can really work on your body, work on your soul, and work on your energies. So in to fight with these issues, you can definitely go for the meditation. That is the very amazing exercise and the spiritual thing to improve your lifestyle, to improve your things, and to make really stable. Okay, and the next thing, if I will suggest you in this hard time to go with that, then the yoga is really good. That is the really best part of the self love. So yoga is another a very good thing to do in this COVID time. And guys, apart from meditation or the yoga, if you really want to go for your, there are few activities or the exercise we love to do. For example, the makeup, um, other fitness activities, or anything, the artwork or anything you like to do, you can go ahead for that. That will give you a self satisfaction, because right now having the self satisfaction is really important to fight with all these emotional issues. So yeah, yes, if there is any query regarding your anxiety, depression, or other emotional thing, you can drop your concern in the comment below. Else you can DM me. The Insta username is the Sufiana Girl, so you guys can go follow me over there and drop your queries in the GM to get the more detailed one.